What is up, guys? Vampire Cat Productions here with another epic episode of Smash Wednesday. Now, today's episode is our biggest smash ever, a mini fridge. Now, this thing has Freon in it, and the gas, I know, can cause problems. We have plenty of ventilation out here. There's a nice breeze. But I have heard some things that say that the Freon, liquid can cause some kind of problems, like if you get it in your eyes or on your skin. So we gotta have some proper eye protection. So before I get into hitting this whole thing up, I'm gonna actually try to break this stuff up a little just to get rid of the Freon. That way I don't have to worry about it, like if it sprays out or something, I won't have to worry about it coming out as a surprise. I'll be expecting it. Look at that. Busted right through the back of this thing. So guys, this right here is what happens when you take a splitting maul to a mini fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Smash Wednesday. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because I will be doing more videos like this every Wednesday. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you later. Bye. And also, guys, feel free to follow me on all of these platforms. The links are in the description below.